What was the last topic, Bhuvan, if you remember?
The division of algebraic expressions.
Okay. Divi Division. So that means we were doing fifth step. Okay. Have we started with the Ikadikena Purven? Oh, we have done. Saptam. Okay, that also we have done. Remember. Okay, LCM, HCF we have to do. Correct.
Sir, Vesthanas we have not done, no?
Oscillators, that will come in the divisibility.
Okay, divisibility. Okay.
Actually, when you talk about division, division is
Hmm.
Nikhilam, Parvartya,
Hmm.
Anurupena, and
Hmm.
this particular and flag method, five. Correct.
Okay.
And that Vestanas or oscillators, that is divisibility. So we'll be doing divisibility in step 6. That time we'll be using that for oscillators. Oscillators is Vestanas.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So in this book, we are not doing divisibility, sorry.
Okay.
Though it is a part of division, but we have kept it separate. Okay. So let's start with LCM and HCF. Now, what do you mean by LCM and what do you mean by HCF?
Lowest common multiple, sir.
That's the definition. What do you mean by that? What is HCF? Highest common factor, then? What exactly we mean by that?
सर इसको हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ
हाँ,
सर।
बिल्कुल।
वो छोटे से छोटा नंबर जो कि सभी के टेबल्स में आए।
ओके।
जिसके टेबल में वो नंबर आता हो वो एलसीएम है सर।
अच्छा।
और जो एचसीएफ है वो वो सबसे बड़ा नंबर जो उन पर्टिकुलर नंबर्स के टेबल में आता हो।
क्वाइट कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है? अगर आप ये किसी को बोलें तो वो समझ जाएगा। समझ आया भुवन, अरुणा?
LCM means in multiples, we'll take the least numbers. HCF means we'll take, we divide the given number into factors, then we'll get highest number.
Okay. Let's say I give you 3 and 5. How will you show me LCM and HCF?
HCF is 1, sir.
Why it is 1?
Sir,
Okay. I change the numbers. Let's say 3 and 12.
the HCF is 3, sir.
How? How you make understand a student? Don't find it using division method, using factorization. No. See, first you need to understand what do we mean by that. When we say the definition least common multiple, so how do we express that? Yes, Aruna?
चॉकलेट पीसेस में कर सकते हैं, दैट इज लाइक
चॉकलेट पीसेस मतलब?
ब्लॉक्स जैसा उनको समझा सकते हैं एक इसमें लाइक 3 and 12 का 3 का बॉक्स और 12 का ऐसा बना के सो उसमें से कॉमन लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल हम लोग वैसा उनको समझा सकते हैं। दिस इज व्हाट
चलो।
माय वे ऑफ।
Now, we say least common multiple. Let's take the example 3 and 5 only. So what is the word? It is multiple. If I talk about multiple, 3 is one multiple,
6.
6 is another, 9 is another, 12 is another, 15 is another, 18 is another, 21 is another, 24 is there, 27 is there, 30 is there, and so on. When I talk about multiples of 5, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Now, what do we have common? We have 15 as common. We have 30 as common. But what is the first one? We want least. So least is obviously 15. So 15 is our common, least common multiple. Clear now? Or let's say 12, 14. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Let me go this much. 14, 28, then 42,
42,
then
56,
56, then 70,
70,
then 84,
84, 98,
98, then
112,
112,
then
126, 140.
okay. Now again see what is common. We have 84 here, we have 84 here. Before that there is nothing common, na? Or do we have? No. So that's why this is your least common. Maybe after this 168 will be there. Got it? Now, similarly, when we talk about HCF, that is highest common factor. So what do we mean by factor? What are the factors for 12? First factor is 1 and 12. So I'll see, this is the easiest approach to do. Second factor is 2 and 6. Third factor is 3 and 4. Now do you have any other? No. Got it? This butterfly method. First outside, then inside come. You'll never be wrong. 1, 14. 2, 7. Can we have anything between? No. So what is now common? Common is 2. Common is 1. But what we want highest. See, factors you cannot have beyond this, na?
Limited.
So highest is 2. So 2 is your HCF. Now this is the meaning. How common factors or how multiples. Right. So we just speak out that LCM means least common multiple, but what is least common? How it is to be shown? So this is how it is to be done. Now there are different techniques. Let's come to first question. Let's say 12 and 14 are only there. Or we can have another number. 4263. Okay, we'll go by two numbers. The first method you have done is division method. Second you have done is prime factorization. And third we'll be studying today Vedic maths. So division. 12, 14, 2 is common, 6, 7. Now we cannot further divide. Can we? No. This is common factor. And this is also called as HCF. Now these are both uncommon factors. And LCM is always common factor into uncommon factor. So 2 into 6 into 7, 84 is my LCM. Right, this was 2. Any doubt? Any doubt you have? Yes, tell me. Yes, Rakesh, any doubt? Bhuvan.
No, sir.
Sir.
Now the second method is second is factorization, what we just did. So generally we do 2 into 6. So it's 2 into 2 into 3. 14. 2 into 7. So these are our common factors. Also called as HCF. These are uncommon factors. Called as LCM. Yes, any doubt? Yes, Bhuvan?
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay. Now, third we'll be learning today is Vedic maths method. You can say we use Anurpena Sutra because we take the ratio, right? Now, 12 and 14 are two numbers. You have to take the ratio and to reduce to the minimum. You can take 12 by 14 or you can take 14 by 12. Not a worry. Any one thing you can take and reduce. So 6, 7, 7, 6. Correct. This is the minimum you can reduce. Now, HCF is N1 by N2 or D1 by D2. So in this case, 12 by 6 or 14 by 7 is equal to 2. Clear? And LCM is cross multiplication. So that is N1 D2 or N2 D1. So 12 into 7 or 14 into 6, it is 84. Now clear?
And here it is two numbers. When we have more than two numbers.
We'll do that also. We'll do 3 number, 4 number, 5 number.
Okay.
The confusion we have in 3 numbers in LCM HCF, because that is the biggest problem every child faces.
Yes, sir.
In 3 numbers, a child get confused because you are further dividing, but you are not taking it in HCF. So here that confusion is not there. We'll do that. Okay. So 2 digit is clear. So find 4263. Now you have to find by Vedic maths method only. What do you have for 4263? What is the HCF? What is LCM?
So HF is 21, sir.
It is 21.
Okay.
LCM 126.
Okay. Yes, Aruna?
Yes, sir.
1824. Find out.
Yes, HCF 6, sir. LCM 72.
Yes, Rakesh, Aruna.
HCF 6, LCM 72.
Yes or no?
HCF, I got 3, sir.
How?
So 18 by 24, 3 6 are or 3 8 are. Then further I have to do. Okay. 6 3 are 6 4 are.
You got 6 3s are 6 4s are.
6 4 are.
Sorry, 3 by 4.
18 by 3 6.
Correct.
Correct.
So that is what they are saying. 6 only they said, no?
I stopped at 6 by 4 8 only. Like, earlier I did 3 common. After that I thought about it. That is what I.
Even if you suppose you do by 3, let's say
3 6 are
6,
3 8 are.
8, then
I
also
did
when
not
we
do it further.
क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
हाँ.
Whenever such situation occurs, further can it be reduced? Yes. By 2 it can be done. So 3 by 4. Right? You have to decrease to the minimum so that further we cannot reduce. So even if you applied 3 by 3, that's not a problem. Further check. Can it be done? Yes, it can be done. That's all. Okay. Now comes your problem, 3 digits, because that is the biggest confusion with everyone. Let's say 10, 14, and 20. Now, what we do, 10, if I go for division method, 10, 14, 20, 2, 5, 7, 10. Right. Now, what is HCF here and what is LCM here? Yes, Rakesh.
HCF 2, sir.
Sir, 2 is HCF or
LCM.
700.
70, 350, 700, sir.
Yes, Aruna.
Sir, 2 is highest common factor.
Okay.
5
What is
can
that?
be further divided, sir. So 5
Oh.
2s are 10, no? So
Yes.
70, 140. 140 is my LCM.
2 times, sir. 10 with 5 2 times.
Sorry. So you say 140 is your LCM and HCF is 2 or 10?
350. 350.
I said 2, sir. हाँ. But
4.
दोनों में तीनों में कॉमन नहीं है ना वो 5, इसके लिए मैं उसको नहीं लिया था.
यस भुवन,
ये
राकेश
सर
700 कैसे
LCM
आया? आज कैमरे पे पीछे बैठ के खाना बाद में खा लेना. मैं भी आपके साथ ही क्लास लगा रहा हूँ.
सर मैं मुझे नहीं पता कि कैमरा ऑफ है.
चलो अच्छा, ये आंसर क्या बताया था आपने? 700 कैसे आया बताओ. नाउ अरुणा,
सर
this was
LCM गलत है
अब
सर.
बस कर दो.
जी.
This was a confusion. Got it? See, your HCF was correct. 2. Now a student get confused if you are further dividing by 5 and you are counting 5 in LCM. Got the point? This is the confusion. Every time this, I remember my days also, we were also confused because, and Bhuvan also did wrong today. Not to worry. See, it happens, but we should know where the problem lies. Now, so HCF is common for all 3. But this understanding are, because when we are in exam hall or when we are doing it, everybody gets confused. Correct. And now, how to do in this? I have 3 numbers, 10, 14, 20. Take any 2 first. Any 2. Chalo, let's take these 2. 10 by 14, 5 by 7. So H1, I'm not giving, I'll say H1 is 2, L2 is 70. Any doubt? Clear. Now, final H, it will be H1 by third number, 20. So 2 by 20, that is 1 by 10. So final H is also 2. Finish. No confusion at all. Coming to LCM, because LCM was where you all got confused. Final LCM. I'll take LCM only 70 and 20. So that means 7 by 2. Multiply, it is 140. Now these are small numbers. We could pick the mistake. When there are 5 numbers, 4 numbers, students get confused. Because sometimes first two are, you are able to divide, then last two you are able to divide, and then in between you are able to divide. There could be any number. Now, Aruna, this is clear or not? Tell me. यहाँ कोई कंफ्यूजन ही खत्म हो गया ना अब. आज फिर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. यस. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
चलो एक और निकाल लो, so that you also get practice. 12, 16, 24. Do it.
So HCF is 4, sir.
Okay.
LCM is 48.
HCF 4.
LCM is 48, HCF is 4. Correct?
What? Yes, sir.
Chalo. Yes, Aruna, did you get the answer? 21, 35,
Yes,
42. Do it.
The HCF is 7, LCM is 2 tenths.
Okay. Yes, Rakesh, Aruna.
Yes, sir. HCF is 7 and LCM is 210.
Aruna.
LCF is 7, sir. LCM I am doing.
Okay.
टू 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 का निकाला है, उसके बाद करना क्या है नहीं समझ में आ रहा। फोर में
कहाँ पे नहीं समझ आया?
15, 20 और 30
नहीं, ये तो अभी रुक
फोर
जाओ, पहले
नंबर्स
पिछला
है ना।
पिछला आंसर दो ना।
ओके पिछले
आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू ओनली।
पिछले वाला 7 है सर।
और
HCF 7,
एलसीएम
LCM में 105 डिवाइडेड बाय 42 है, वो फर्दर नहीं जा रहा है।
क्यों? 42 क्या होता है? 21 into 2। 105 क्या होता है? 21 into 5। अभी
7 6 हाँ हाँ।
ठीक है, चलो। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस। व्हेन इट इज 4 digits, take any two first. First you try. If not, then I'll solve. Take any from here, find out h1, l1. Here find out h2, l2, and compare. So final h will be h1 by h2. Final l will be l1 by l2. Finish. करिए।
Sir, HCF is 5.
Okay. Then what is LCM?
70. Right.
H1 is 5, L1 is 60. H2
O-
is 5, L2 is 210.
okay. Final.
Yes, sir.
Final H is 1, sir. फाइनल एलसीएम में फ्रैक्शन आ रहा है, उसमें
It
ही मुझे
cannot be
डाउट
1.
है।
HCF cannot be 1.
तो 5/5 आया है सर,
तो 5
इसलिए
by 5
मुझे
is equal
डाउट
to
है।
1 by
LCM
1.
is 210.
1/1, हाँ।
तो फिर 5 ही तो हुआ ये।
ओके, हाँ हाँ हाँ, अंडरस्टैंड।
बोलो राकेश, क्या कह रहे थे?
LCM is 200. LCM is 210.
यस भुवन। चलो
एचसीएफ is 5, LCM is 40,
let me
46.
let's solve. Leave it. First 15, 20. So 3 by 4. So H1 I can say 5. L1 I can say 60. Second numbers are 30 and 35. 30, 35, 6, 7. So H2 is again 5. L2 is equal to 210. Right? Up till here, no doubts. Now, so H3 कह दीजिए या H कह दीजिए final. 5 by 5. So this is 1 by 1. So this is 5 only, ना? यहां पे ये गलती नहीं करनी कि 5 by 5 is 1. So 1. No. You have to remember the concept of HCF is N1 by N2 or D1 by D2. Not कि वहां पे आंसर देना है. And L is equal to 60 by 210. So very clear. This means पहले इसको जितना रिड्यूस कर सकते हो कर लीजिए. 32 जा and 37 जा. Correct. So directly 420. क्या आया था राकेश?
Yes, sir, same. Yes.
राकेश
सर गलत था।
आप नॉर्मल वे से भी चेक तो कर लो आप. मैं उस दिन भी बोला, 2 बार करने के बाद भी आप गलतियां कर रहे हो. समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे. आज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में भी वही हाल था. फर्स्ट डे की क्लास नहीं याद आपको? चलो एक लास्ट करते हैं. 5. चलो इफ इट इज 5 डिजिट्स, ओनली आपको एक सिस्टम से फॉलो चलना है बस. दैट्स ऑल. 6, 12, 18, 30, 36. Now again you can find H1, L1. You can find H2, L2. यहां फिर आप निकालेंगे H3, L3 हो जाएगा. एंड देन कंपेयर विद दिस. करेक्ट. यहां से क्योंकि तभी कंपेयर कर पाएंगे ना.
Sir, HCF is 6, sir. LCM is 180.
Yes, Aruna, Rakesh.
CF is 6, LCM
Okay,
कर रही हूँ 2 मिनट।
करिए करिए।
LCM is 180 sir.
राकेश,
सेम सर।
सेम।
यस सर।
चलिए बढ़िया। तो एक तो ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, एक इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलसीएम एचसीएफ में क्वेश्चन आता है, बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ बट जो आता है वो है, सी फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. ये अप्लाई सिर्फ टू नंबर्स के केस में ही होगा, 3 में, 4 में, 5 में नहीं होता। लेट इट बी वेरी क्लियर, इट दिस concept is applied only in two numbers. Now, if two numbers are in ratio 3:4 and HCF is 4, what is LCM? करिए।
$48 sir.
48 क्या?
LCM. LCM.
यस राकेश, भुवन,
48.
राकेश, नहीं आया ना?
नो सर।
See, very simple. When you says the numbers are in ratio of 3 and 4, that means let the numbers be 3A and 4A. Finish. क्या नहीं? अगर नंबर्स 3, भाई जब समझाने लगता हूं तो पहले
यस सर।
लिखना शुरू कर देते हो, ये प्रॉब्लम है आपकी। और अभी मैं बात करूंगा किसी से, यू विल इंटरप्ट। अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा पहले समझ लो ना उसको आराम से। एंड 3a/4a क्या निकला? 3/4। तो एचसीएफ क्या हुआ? ए। करेक्ट। What is HCF given? 4. So A is equal to 4. That means numbers are 12 and 16. And LCM क्या था यहां से? 12A means 12 into 4, 48. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में। दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस मैंने बुक में नहीं दिए हैं, बट इसके लिए आपको कोरा चेक करना पड़ेगा। देयर आर अराउंड 500 क्वेश्चंस आई हैव सॉल्व्ड देयर। आई एम प्लानिंग की एक बुक निकालनी है एलसीएम एचसीएफ, पर बहुत टाइम लग रहा है। एक और क्वेश्चन जो बहुत आता है, एचसीएफ इज इक्वल टू 2, एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 24। करेक्ट। ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू 14। व्हाट इज ए एंड बी? व्हाट आर कह लो, ए एंड बी। चलिए निकालिए।
Numbers are 6 and 8.
हम्म।
A and B are 6 and 8.
करेक्ट। यस अरुणा।
सही है सर।
आ गया। तो ऐसे बहुत से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे जिसमें ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा और यू विल बी सॉल्विंग। एनी डाउट इन एलसीएम एचसीएफ नाउ? एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव इन योर माइंड? यस टेल मी। बताइए। एनी क्वेश्चंस?
No.
Two more topics. One is your percentage, we'll do just now, and one is fractions. बट फ्रैक्शंस में मुझे कुछ डेफिनेशंस आपको लिखवानी है, जस्ट मैंने बनाई थी। जस्ट anyhow we'll start with fractions, sorry, percentage first। आपकी बुक में बहुत कम है और टॉपिक्स डाले हैं उसमें। Now, what is a percentage? What do you mean by percentage? Yes. What do you mean by percentage?
Divided by 100.
Sorry? Yes, Aruna?
Divided by 100.
Divided by 100. Okay. That's all. Yes, Aruna. Rakesh.
हमारे पास कुछ टोटल क्वांटिटी है, उसमें से हम लोग कुछ रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी हम लोग ले रहे हैं, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज परसेंटेज। लाइक मेरे पास 10 चॉकलेट्स है, सो रिक्वायर्ड मेरे को 3 करना है, तो 3/10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100, दैट इज माई परसेंटेज।
आप एक
होल
क्वेश्चन
होल नंबर को परसेंटेज में लेना, 100 की
परसेंट
फॉर्म।
आई सेड पर व्हाट इज परसेंटेज, आप बोल रहे हैं होल नंबर को परसेंटेज में लेना है, तो बात बनी। हम्म
होल क्वांटिटी जो है उसको 100 की परसेंटेज में।
परसेंटेज की डेफिनेशन 100 की परसेंटेज में लेना, कैसे करेंगे? आप ऐसी ही बात करेंगे तो हम्म it is just a fraction, a number expressed as a fraction of 100, simple as it is। जो आप बात कर रही है वो होता है एक फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज 7% ऑफ 10। सो वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग डायरेक्ट वो, वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग व्हाट इज अ परसेंटेज फर्स्ट। हमें पहले ये पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज परसेंटेज, देन विल गो अपॉन व्हाट इज राइट। एनी हाउ, मैं कुछ देना चाहता था वो नहीं हुआ अभी, देखता हूं। सो percentage is expressed as a fraction of 100. If I say 10%, so that means 10 by 100, finish. If I say 5, 15%, so this is 15 by 100. If I say X%, it is X by 100. First thing. Second, now that means, अब रिवर्स कर लो इसको, परसेंटेज इज कन्वर्टेड टू फ्रैक्शन। ये फ्रैक्शन आ गया ना, बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय 100, अभी सॉरी, फ्रैक्शन बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय 100। जैसे ये व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन हियर, 1/10। अगर यही आई वुड हैव आस्क्ड 60% कन्वर्ट टू फ्रैक्शन, so 60 by 100 means 3/4 or 3/5, correct? So that is the fraction, 25%, so that is
वन बाई
25
फोर
by 100, 1/4, 12 कैसे आया भाई?
1/4 बोले सर।
अच्छा,
1/4।
correct। And if we are asked the other way out, okay, convert fraction to percentage, simple, fractions to percentage means multiply by 100, definitely। अगर फ्रैक्शन दिया हुआ है 1/4, कन्वर्ट टू परसेंटेज, so multiply by 100, that is 25%, right? 3/5 into 100, so 60%, right? Or anything, 12/25, so 48%. Now it is clear how to convert fraction into percentage, or percentage into fraction. So they are opposite. Now, how questions are asked. Simple question is what a percent of B. So we multiply and we do that. But here, when you go for competitions, when you go for any exams, those questions we find a bit difficult because of the language. Because students face, this is a common problem which I have seen. Students find difficulty in word problems. Let it be in trigonometry, let it be in your percentage, let it be in any place. Wherever there would be word problem, they find difficulty. So to understand, decode that. Now, here questions could be in the way, what is percent of this? Correct. This kind of questions are coming. So I'll just decode certain things. What if is a word replaced by X? If it is percentage replaced by 1 by 100, because I told you percentage is a fraction of 100, right? We call it as decimal fraction also. Of, wherever the word is of, that is multiply. It's not x ऊपर था, so this is multiply. Then is, are, were. Whenever such words exist, this is equal to. And if it is more than, then it is addition. Right. So write on these 5. These are not in your book. I'll get water. Okay. Now let's see. First example. What percent of 26 is 16? ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आता है तो, और ना वैसे कैसे करते हैं आप? देखो अब वो, it is not A into B by 100. No. That is why we go wrong over here. Because ये words का हेर फेर है. So let's substitute x. X percent 1 by 100 of multiply 26 is equal to 16. Finish. Your equation is ready. So what is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Hmm?
61.2.
क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं?
61.
क्लियर हुई चीज ये?
Yes, sir.
आप बात को समझे कैसे हमने एक पैटर्न बना लिया, एक टेम्पलेट बन गया। अब एक क्वेश्चन और देखिए, सेम। 8 इज, सर्चिंग फॉर दैट नोट्स ताकि मेरे को था आज का टॉपिक एक और करवा दूं। एट इज व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ 5? लिखिए, लेट्स सी कैसे करते हैं आप।
So 160, sir.
Let me up. Eight is what परसेंट ऑफ 5? करेक्ट। अगर हम थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दें,
8 equals to
अगर हम लिखते हैं इसे व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ 5 is 8, any problem? We just change it so that I should not be wrong. X by 100 into 5 is equal to 8. Finish. Got it? Yes, Aruna, are you getting? राकेश आया 160?
Yes, sir. आ गया.
थर्ड, अब थोड़ा इजी। What is 9% of 50?
point 5, sir.
Sorry,
4.5, sir.
how? How did you do?
9 by 100 into 50, sir.
Yes, sir. 4.5 only.
X is equal to 9 by 100 into 50, sir.
Now it is clear. Yes, Aruna?
सर सेम से
चलो, ये आपकी बुक में दिए हुए हैं। 15% of 70.
$10.5.
10.5.
Hmm?
10.5.
Okay. What is the percentage of this fraction? 3/12.
$25.
Sorry?
25%.
Yes, Bhuvan. चलो एक क्वेश्चन
25%.
25%.
नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो क्वेश्चन आ जाता है देयर इज 10th क्लास 70% are girls. If boys are 27, how many total students?
$90, sir.
$97.
Yes, Aruna?
Hmm. 90, sir.
Clear? Any doubt now? I'll because in your book it is not given in depth, but I'm sending you in other students' book. I'm sending you once so that you can solve these questions. Sufficient या और करना टॉपिक? यस सर ना भुवन
Sir,
करना है और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक या स्टॉप? चलो लेट्स डू इट देन. Fractions. So what do you mean by fraction?
a part of a whole.
Yes, Rakesh, Aruna.
It's the correct definition. A part of whole.
Correct. A number that represents a part of a whole and it is written in the form of A by B, where B is your complete and A is that part. If this is complete and this is A, so it can be written as A by B, right? Okay. So how we naming the fractions if I talk about, Upper is called as numerator. And lower digit, because I said it is in the form of a by b. So upper digit is called numerator and lower is called as denominator. Then there is a unit fraction. What do you mean by unit fraction?
Seven by seven, 6 by 6, these are all unit fractions, which is getting 1.
Yes, Rakesh?
Unit fraction means the numerator is always 1, sir.
Rakesh?
Sir, 7/1, 3/1. नहीं, यूनिट फ्रैक्शन जिसका 1/1 आया सर.
तुक्के बड़े मारते हो यार आप. सारा कुछ बोल दो, हर तरह के बोल दिए ताकि कोई तो ठीक हो जाएगा. कोई तो बचेगा. नहीं, भुवन इज करेक्ट. सी, न्यूमरेटर शुड बी 1, नॉट 7 by 7 is not correct.
ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं.
We are talking about unit fraction right now. Like fraction. ये इसलिए करा रहे हैं क्योंकि जब आप when you will be discussing with fourth class, तो आप डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस करा देंगे तो उनको तो डेफिनेशंस भी हैं. यस, आपकी बुक में नहीं है बट स्लोली स्टडीली ऐड हो रही हैं. जो भी अपडेट्स आ रहा है नेक्स्ट में आ जाएंगी. और यस, व्हाट इज लाइक फ्रैक्शन?
Denominators are same.
यस अरुणा.
डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम.
Okay. Yes, denominator 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 2 by 4, anything. If denominator is common, that is, they are called as like fractions. Unlike fractions. So when denominators are different, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7. So this way you can have. Then what do you mean by proper fraction?
Numerator is smaller than denominators.
Numerator is less than d, then it is called as proper. So 2 by 5, 3 by 7. Correct. What else?
Mixed fractions भी है ना सर.
Improper fraction. Mixed
Hmm.
fraction.
Improper fraction. Yes. What do you mean by?
Numerator is greater than denominators.
So n is bigger than d. So that time we convert into proper fraction. So उसको हम जब हम improper को proper करवाते हैं, that is what we call it as mixed fraction. So converting, how do we convert? Let's say 5 by 2. So how do we do? Yes, Aruna?
So 2 1/2 sir.
हाँ, तो सिंपली अगर हम इसे समझे कि डिवीजन किया तो क्वोशिएंट इज 2, रिमाइंडर इज 1. So quotient is this. 1 is your remainder is top, bottom remains the same.
Remainder upon denominator.
Divisor.
Correct. Up till here it is clear? Okay. Now, so this, when we convert when we have in the form of remainder and quotient, we call it as a mixed fraction. Then there is a word called comparison among the fractions. How do you compare? For example, I have two numbers, 2/5 and 3/7. Which is bigger? How do you do?
Making denominators equal, sir.
3/7 is bigger.
How we do?
So we should multiply 2/5 with 7 and
Mhm.
3/7 with 5, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2/35, 3/35.
Numerator and denominator divided by
10/35,
7.
15/35.
Yes, sir. 14/35.
Just now he was saying. So उसकी बजाय simple definition रख लो ना. Why not this? और नीचे ये.
Yes.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए न्यूमरेटर के लिए. तो नाउ विच इज बिगर? 15/35.
Yes, 15/5.
करेक्ट. इसका बहुत सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है. 1/2, 1/3, because this we know. So cross 3/6 and 2/6. So we know this is bigger. है ना? हाफ बड़ा होता है ना. Okay. One more definition is there. What is decimal fraction?
Denominators will be multiples of 10.
Correct. So if decimal
10
fraction
power-
means you have 10 power of 10, so 10,
Power of-
100, 1000, जो अभी हम बात कर रहे थे fraction. So fraction is also a decimal, sorry, percentage is a decimal fraction in actual. Correct. और last एक word है equivalent fractions. Yes, what is the equivalent fraction? So multiply denominator and numerator by same. If 1/3 is given, so 2/6 is equivalent, 3/9 is equivalent. Just now we did multiply both by same,
10.
right? Okay. Now addition and subtraction of fractions, because multiplication generally is more simple. Let's start with like fractions. If like fractions are there, like 3/5, like means denominator is same. So there is no problem at all. You just take the common 3 plus 2 1.
Add
Right, 5. Similarly, in case of subtraction also, let's say 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Or if it was 2 by 5, then 1 by 5 was the answer. We take the common. If it is like fraction, this is what need to be. But questions are not coming on like. It is generally unlike only. Unlike are also two types. In one case, is how will you do this?
So 1 by 3.
Sorry?
6 is multiple of 3, sir.
7 by 6.
Then we'll take LCM as 6.
Correct. So till now this is one question. Let's say the other question is 3 by 4 plus 4 by 7. Yes, Aruna, how will you do both?
सेम वो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला करके बाई 28 से
See, what
21 by 28
we learn in school books is we follow 3 steps.
एलसीएम
First,
वाला
we find LCM.
हाँ
Then we
Yes.
compare. Correct. अब LCM किसी ने गलत कर दिया तो all the question is wrong. So instead of this, you could directly go. This is called as butterfly method or cross, and denominators multiply. One thing. Got it? One. Very easy thing. Yes, in first case, 1 by 3 and 6. When you have something common, then you may do one more step. One more way can be there. Whenever such is there, you can convert to like fraction. Unlike fractions can be converted in some cases. This was 1 by 3. This was 5 by 6. So I can do 2 by 6 plus 5 by 6. So simply 7 by 6. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
3 by 4. Now, this is not a like fraction. It cannot be converted to like. Then follow this simple. See, this method can be applied everywhere. Numerators, cross multiplication, and add, and denominators multiply. So, what you were saying was LCM. See, LCM becomes another process. So, 2 steps you have to take. And that is where we make silly mistakes. So to avoid that, we can directly go by this. Got it? Let's solve some questions. Okay, solve this. 7 by 8 plus 4 by 5. So again, 40. You can take LCM, but that is a tedious process. 35 plus 32 by 40. 67 by 40. Now the problem is this is not proper fraction. This is not proper fraction. So you have to convert. So you know the way. This is now mixed fraction or a proper one. Clear? Yes, any doubt? Solve 5, 4/7 plus 2, 1/2. Now, how do you do? First, you tell me, then I'll guide you.
First, I'll change into improper fraction,
Mhm.
then butterfly methods.
Yes, Aruna?
Same my thought.
सर
Rakesh?
मेरी
Hmm.
सर 5 को 5 + 2 कर देंगे
Hmm.
सर 5 4/7 can be written as 5 + 4/7 and plus 2 1/2 can be written as 2 + 1/2 and 5
Hmm.
+ 2 will be 7 and
Hmm.
then in these two butterfly method.
See, जो आप कह रहे हैं अरुणा भुवन, you are making it bigger.
Yes.
Correct. What you did, 5 7s are 35, 34, 9/7 plus 5/2. Correct. Now 39 into 2, 78 plus 35. Correct. यही हुआ ना? 78 plus 35.
Four.
अब कितना मुश्किल आ रहा है उसकी बजाय अगर हम सी ये 5 and 2 7 plus 4/7 plus 1/2. Now these values are so simple. 8 and 7 15. So 7 15/14. But again this is not correct.
Again, yes sir.
Right.
8 1
So
upon 14.
7 plus 1 और निकाल सकते हैं, है ना? तो
Yes.
कितना हो गया?
8 1/14.
फिनिश. अब अगर आप इससे इतनी जल्दी कर पाते, दिस इज वेयर वी मेक मिस्टेक. सो फर्स्ट जो मेन फैक्टर है उसको अलग कर लो ना, फुल फैक्टर. दिस इज द बेस्ट अप्रोच. ऐसे ही सब्ट्रैक्शन में एक 8 1/30 माइनस 2 4/15. अगर हम ओपन कर देंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे इम्प्रॉपर टू प्रॉपर, देन इट विल बी अ बिगर वैल्यूज. क्लियर? क्या है आंसर?
Yes. 323/30.
क्या आया?
323/30.
करेक्ट. Yes, Bhuvan?
Yeah. Five 27/36.
Yes, Aruna?
That's 6 minus 7/30. There I stuck.
Okay. See, 8 minus 2 is 6. Can I write here? Now, this problem you will face number of times.
8/30.
Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, remember this, why I am doing by this method, because this is where 90% times in subtraction you will be trapped.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, such cases, this is 6. Can I write 5 plus 1 also, no? अगर
Yes, sir.
यहां से 5 प्लस 1 यहां दे दूं तो 30 माइनस 7 क्या हो गया? 23.
23.
23.
This is the easiest and the best approach. Whenever you get negative, release 1. क्लियर नाउ?
Sir.
चलो अब इसकी एक्सरसाइज देता हूं. There are too many questions, but you can do it. Let's try one or two. 8 7/9 plus 5 9/11.
Fourteen 69/99.
The 1459/99.
1459/99.
क्लियर नाउ? एक सब्ट्रैक्शन का कर लेते हैं. सब्ट्रैक्शन में 12 1/3 minus 14/15.
11 6 by 15.
11 4 by 15, sir.
11 2 by 5. 11 2 by 5.
सबका अलग अलग है। चलो लेट्स सॉल्व इट। अरुणा, बहुत
Sir,
गलतियां हो रही हैं।
15
चलो,
minus 9, sir.
कैन आई राइट दिस एज 5 by 3 15
Yes,
माइनस
sir.
4? करेक्ट। सो वही मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, 9 15 आ गया। जब
Yes,
माइनस
sir.
आए
Same here.
सो
9 by
इसको 11
15.
कर दो, तो 15 माइनस 9
11
इज 6 by 15,
plus 1.
और यहाँ पे आ गया 11। बट ये भी तो
15
अभी,
minus 9 is 6, sir. 11
सॉरी,
6 by
क्या कह रहे हैं आप इसको भी तो फर्दर करोगे ना।
Below.
हाँ,
3
वो 2 by
3 by
3 कर
5,
हाँ
सो
3 by 5 वो नहीं ठीक है
11 2 by 3,
2 by 5 sir.
सॉरी 2 by 5, सॉरी। क्लियर। सो ये डन। आई हैव शेयर्ड यू वन एक्सरसाइज ऑन दिस ऑल्सो, उसको कर लेना। क्वेश्चंस 20 प्लस है। गॉट इट। चलो भुवन, एनी डाउट? सो दिस कंप्लीट्स योर स्टेप 5। तो नेक्स्ट विल टेक फर्स्ट डाउट्स, जितने डाउट्स हैं तभी स्टेप 6 शुरू करेंगे, अदरवाइज। और जब मुझे पहले तो सबको आज बोलना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दैट कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड अगेन एंड अगेन। एक बार अरुणा चेक कर लो, एनी डाउट्स, एनी क्वेश्चंस यू हैव। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास में फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स विल टेक। राइट। एनीथिंग एल्स? डन। चलो, आई शेयर।
Thank you sir.